Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we have discussed about the Mendeleev's achievements of Mendeleev's. Okay, today I am going to discuss about the limitations of the Mendeleev's classification. What are the limitations is there? Okay, before going to the classification limitations, in the last class we have discussed about the achievements. What is the what are the achievements is there Mendeleev periodic table? In that he left some gaps in his periodic table instead of looking upon these gaps of defects. Okay, he left some gaps in his periodic table. Why he is left some gaps? Because of in the future other elements they will discovered and they will kept into that gaps. Okay, he given some names: Eka aluminium, Eka silicon, and Eka boron. He given Eka boron, Eka aluminium, and Eka silicon. After that, Eka aluminium, they given the name as gallium. Already we are discussed. Okay, so all scientists are accepted his periodic table. Not only accept, recognized him also. So this is achievements of the noble gases. Noble gases like helium and argon, krypton, xenon, radon. These are mentioned in many contests before this gases were discovered very late because of they are very inert in nature. Okay, so they extremely low concentration in the atmosphere. Already we are discussing about the noble gases also. They did not disturb his periodic table. Noble gases they kept into the separately one group. And limitations. Limitations of Mendeleev's periodic table. Limitations of Mendeleev's classification or periodic table. Limitations of Mendeleev's classification. Okay, what are the limitations is there? Electronic configuration of hydrogen resembles that of alkali metals. Like alkali metals, hydrogen combines with halogens, oxygen, and sulfur to form compounds having the similar formula. What is the limitations? Electronic configuration of hydrogen. So here we have to take the hydrogen. Electronic configuration of hydrogen resembles that of alkali metals. Electronic configuration of hydrogen and alkali metals are resembles. Like alkali metals, hydrogen also combines with halogens, oxygen, and sulfur to form compounds having similar formula. Okay, so by the example we have to understand hydrogen and halogens, alkali metals are resembles or not their electronic configurations. Here we have to take the electronic configuration of hydrogen. Electronic configuration of hydrogen resembles that of alkali metals. Okay, resembles with alkali metals. Like alkali metals, hydrogen combines with halogens. Like alkali metals, hydrogen combines with halogens, oxygen, and sulfur. Alkali metals are combined with halogens, oxygen, and sulfur. In the same way, hydrogen also combines with halogen, oxygen, and sulfur to form compounds. To form compounds having similar formula. To form compounds having similar formula, compounds having similar formula. Okay, how it is having the similar? Once we have to check by the example. This is the compounds of hydrogen. These are the compounds of sodium. These are the compounds of sodium. Okay, these are the compounds of hydrogen. These are the compounds of sodium. Now once we have to check here hydrogen. First halogens. What are the halogens? Chlorine, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are the halogens. HCl. This is the compound of halogen with hydrogen. Halogen is a chlorine, hydrogen, HCl. And here in the same way with sodium. Sodium is a alkali metal, first A group element. Okay, sodium, lithium, potassium. These are the alkali metals. How it will be form alkali metals with NaCl with chlorides. Okay, with the halogen, sodium with the halogen. Here hydrogen with the halogen, HCl, NaCl. So similar. These are the look like similar, combines with halogens, oxygen and sulfur to form compounds having similar formula. Here nearly similar formula is there. Here HCl, here NaCl, and with oxygen. Once we have to check with oxygen, H2O. Okay, here hydrogen combines with oxygen. Here what about the alkali metals? Na2O. Here Na2O, H2O. Similar formulas. And here H2S with sulfur. Here Na2S. Okay, this is a similar formulas. When hydrogen combines like alkali metals, when hydrogen combines with halogens, oxygen and sulfur to form compounds having similar formula. Okay. On the other hand, just like halogens, hydrogen also exists as a diatomic molecules, and it combines with metals and non-metals to form covalent compound. Just like halogens, hydrogen also exists as a diatomic molecule. What is the diatomic molecule? Two atoms are combined. This is for suppose H2. This is a diatomic molecule. Na2 is a diatomic molecules. Okay. So like halogens, hydrogen also exists as a diatomic molecule, and it combines with metal and non-metals to form covalent compound. Okay. Just like halogens, hydrogen also exists as diatomic molecule, molecules, and it combines with metals, and non-metals, to form covalent compounds, to form covalent compound. Okay, this is the resembles with halogens, and looking at its resemblance to alkali metals and the halogen family, try to assign hydrogen a correct position in Mendeleev's periodic table. To which group and period should hydrogen be assigned? Okay, here electronic configuration of hydrogen and alkali metals are similar. How it will be similar? Electronic configuration of hydrogen is a 1s1. For suppose if we take the sodium, what is the electronic configuration of sodium? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. This is the outermost configuration. How many electrons is there in sodium? 1. In outermost configuration in hydrogen, how many electrons is there? 1. So this is the electronic configuration resembles. For suppose if we take the potassium also, outermost electronic configuration, only 1 electron is there. And if we take the rubidium, okay, what are the alkali metals is there? We have to take the any alkali metal, that is last electron, that is the outermost shell electron is a 1 only. It is resembles electronic configuration with hydrogen. Hydrogen also having the 1 electron in its outermost shell, and other alkali metals also having the 1 electron. So electronic configuration of hydrogen resembles that alkali metals. Okay, thank you.